Hello there, welcome to this latest video. Okay, so now and again I'm going to be doing some videos where I'll show a random tape and I'll show all of the editions I have of that film, and I'll be showing a mix of types of films. If I think it's interesting I'll show it, but mostly will be horror, maybe war film, westerns or thrillers. Anyway, the one I'm looking at today is The Washing Machine from 1993, directed by the legendary Ruggero Deodato. Okay, so briefly, the film is about, may or may not have been a murder taking place, and the body found inside a washing machine in the house of where these three sisters live. You can see there. So we have a detective who's investigating, and he has to interview the three sisters one at a time. Things start to get quite steamy, but also things start to get really weird with lots of twists and turns. Okay, so The Washing Machine. Take a closer look at the cover from the director of Cannibal Holocaust. Look at the back. Okay, so this film is actually really decent. It's a very cool film. Like I say, directed by Ruggero Deodato. The film is well made, quite stylish. Definitely an Italian giallo, but also like an erotic thriller. Like I say, there's a few twists in the film. Definitely very sleazy, but it's well made, and there's a really good score by Claudio Simonetti, of course from Goblin. So when the music comes in, definitely reminds you of a Dario Argento film. Have a look at the tape. Inside here you have some information on Ruggero Deodato, because when this tape came out in 1999, Cannibal Holocaust was still actually banned in the UK, believe it or not. I know by the early mid-90s, VIDA.X.FOREVER had re-released some of the old video nasties and cut versions, like The Beyond and The Burning. They were all cut. Cannibal Holocaust never had a release then by VIDA.X.FOREVER in the early to mid-90s. I think the first time it came out on DVD or VHS was around about 2000, I think. Heavily cut version. Okay, so I've also got this film on DVD, I'll show you. Got this one here. It's actually a pretty cool release from Shameless. I remember buying this one pretty much straight away. I really wanted to see this film again on DVD. It's a pretty cool edition. So it's not your usual type of giallo film. Don't think this film will be for everybody, but definitely if you're fans of Italian horror, Ruggero Deodato. If you've not seen this one, then of course it's a must-see. I really like this film, and I think it's great. So there we go, the washing machine. Thanks for watching.